Good day, listeners. In today's video tutorial, we are going to look at how we can split a combined names into different columns. Once again, this is Ojosado Innovation channel. I've made several videos in the previous time. We talked about machine learning and other data analysis, web development, and other videos. Feel free to look at all those videos. But today we are looking at Excel. How can we split name that is being combined in one column into different columns? This is very important in a situation whereby we have first name, last name, and middle name combined in one column. Most cases is title, full name, and you want this name to be treated independently. Okay, so to do that, I will click on the first row here. Okay, this is the original data. Then we want to split this first name, other name, and last name into these three different columns that have what title, first name, other name, and last name. I will hit here, press the shift button for your keyboard, hold down your shift button, hold down your control, and press the arrow keyboard that is pointing the down arrow keyboard. Press the down arrow keyboard to highlight it down. Alright, then once that is done, click on data, click on a text to column. There will be a dialog box that will be displayed here. Now by default, Excel will display it in this format, delimiter. Okay, if you look at the bottom, you see preview of selected data. Alright, then click on next. Alright, then why in most cases it will show like this. If you look at the original data, there is name /Ifeanyi/Joshua, okay, and in between these names there are spaces. Okay, so and in keyboard, using keyboard, while we are typing this name, you are likely to hit the tab keyboard, okay, the tab key. So because the tab key was initialized as event listener, I'm going to click this tab key. Okay, I'm also going to click space because there is spaces in between the bar. Okay, I'm going to click what space here. Okay, then I will treat this delimiter as 1, then click on next. Now if you look at it, by default it's showing A2. That is where the original data starts from. Okay, but we don't want this data that we want to split to start from this place, because if you do that, it will override all these ones. Okay, it will override this whole thing. Okay, and we don't want that. We want this data that we want to split to start from what, B2. So to do that, I'm going to come here, remove this one, and hit what, B2. Okay, immediately I hit B2, you see it has picked the name here. Then next I'm going to do is to click here, finish. Wow, you see we have successfully what, split the name into different columns. Then all this name now can be treated independently: first name, other name, and last name. And this is what the original data. This is a very short video, an interesting one. If you like this video, feel free to comment, share the video, and don't forget to like. Thank you for your time. I remain your friend, Ojosado. Goodbye.